Welcome to this edition of the Multimedia Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. We will focus on the potential for another round of wintry precipitation, mainly in the form of freezing rain and sleet, Wednesday evening through at least Thursday noon. Here's the general setup. We'll have a battle between the very cold air to the north across the central and northern portions of the U.S. and warm, moist air across the southeast and the Gulf of Mexico. Looking higher in the atmosphere, around 15 to 20,000 feet, southwesterly winds will transport warm and moist air to the northeastward. Meanwhile, cold air will push southward at the surface, undercutting the warmer air aloft, resulting in the possibility of wintry precipitation, especially freezing rain. So looking at the forecast, there remains a potential for some freezing rain and sleet, with the possibility of significant impacts generally along and north of the I-59 corridor by 6 a.m. Thursday morning. Looks like between midnight and 3 a.m. it'll start out in the far northwest and then slide southward as the overnight period continues. As we move into the 6 a.m. to noon period on Thursday, again that wintry precip in the form of pink here will remain possible. Again, it could slide to the south. Looks like we will begin to see the rainfall become a little bit less of an impact during the morning hours as the heavier precip is expected overnight. Again, this southern line of the freezing rain will be subject to change as we continue to go through the forecast, so check back often for the latest forecast. So to recap, we'll see a wintry mix of freezing rain and sleet possible Wednesday evening through Thursday morning. There are several uncertainties as to the exact position of that southern edge of the freezing line, and the accumulating amount, again, depends a lot on the southern extent of that freezing line. There will continue to be changes as we go through, so check back often for the latest updates. To stay up to date on these updates, please follow us on our social media feeds and our webpage, and you can always give us a call at 205-664-3010.